Hey, to change keyboard language on the Redmi A3, you have to open the settings. Now you have to scroll down all the way down, and from this you have to open system settings. And now you have to go into the languages. I mean into the keyboard. From this you have to select on-screen keyboard and enter for Gboard. Now go into the languages, and from this you have to click to add the keyboard language and pick the language from this list. In my case, I will get the Polish language. From this we can turn on and off the multilingual typing, and we can get the handwriting and other keyboard themes, keyboard layouts. Then we have to click done, and after this, when you open the keyboard, so for example, let's do this in the Google Chrome browser. We have to click on this icon to switch between the languages. So as you can see from this, we can actually pick the different language. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.